Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is episode 15 and today we're diving even deeper into the real taste of KL, where we go beyond the usual to uncover pastry series flavors that truly represent the soul of this country. Handmade biscuits and traditional pastries have always been a staple for breakfast and afternoon tea among Malaysians. Today I'd like to introduce some of the classic pastries that are especially beloved by the Malaysian Chinese community to friends from around the world. These traditional treats have stood the test of time, but what makes them remain so popular even today? Let's find out together. Our first stop is Bunn Choon restaurant. By the way, it's located right next to Kwai Chai Hong, a popular photo spot for tourists. This is also a spot frequently visited by celebrities from Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Five minutes walks from Pasar Seni MRT Station, Green Line. Bunn Choon, founded in 1893, is a well-known restaurant in Kuala Lumpur. Famous for its freshly handmade egg tarts, mooncakes, and dim sum. Their signature item is the traditional egg tart, an absolute must-try, blending century-old recipes passed down through generations with modern baking techniques. Bunn Choon offers timeless flavors that have been loved for over a century. Starting from a humble family bakery, Bunn Choon has stayed true to its commitment to quality and tradition, making it one of the oldest Chinese breakfast spots still, operating in Petaling Street, KL, Chinatown. It is now run by the fourth-generation owner, Mr. Wong Kok Tong. Thanks to its rich heritage and authentic offerings, Bunn Choon continues to attract both locals and tourists alike. Aside from their famous egg tarts, they also serve a wide variety of dim sum, rice dishes, noodles, soups, traditional biscuits and pastries, desserts, as well as an assortment of tea and coffee. This time, I tried their most popular items. The Bunn Choon egg tart, sesame egg tart, coconut pineapple pastry, deep fried taro puff, and pure red bean paste. For drinks, I ordered their classic Malaysian milk tea, Bunn Choon egg tart, crispy on the outside, silky smooth on the inside. The custard is rich, fragrant, and not overly sweet, making it easy to enjoy more than one without feeling heavy. Sesame egg tart. The black sesame crust adds a wonderful nutty aroma, and the pairing of sesame and egg custard is surprisingly delightful. It has a unique charm compared to the original egg tart, each with its own character and flavor. Coconut pineapple pastry, a delightful combination of sweet pineapple and aromatic coconut, wrapped in a buttery pastry that melts in your mouth. Deep fried taro puff, an ultra crispy, airy exterior with a soft, creamy taro, filling mixed with savory minced pork. The natural sweetness of taro pairs perfectly with the savory pork, resulting in a rich yet balanced flavor that's not too salty. Every bite is crisp, tender, and bursting with a wonderful savory fragrance, without feeling greasy. Pure red bean paste, smooth and velvety with a natural, light sweetness. The earthy aroma of red beans really comes through, offering a rich but clean flavor. It's soft with a slightly grainy texture, highlighting the comforting, classic taste of traditional red bean desserts. Dai milik tea, a combination of condensed milk, evaporated milk, tea, and water. It's smooth, silky, and well balanced, without being overly sweet. All in all, Bunn Choon is the kind of place that reminds you why traditional food never goes out of style. Everything I tried was full of flavor, comforting, and really well made. A must visit if you want to experience a true taste of old school K. Stop 2. We're here at Fung Wong Biscuits. A legendary name when it comes to traditional Chinese pastries in Kuala Lumpur. This place has been around for over 100 years and is especially famous for its iconic wedding cakes. 8 minutes walks from LRT Pasar Seni Red Line. It all started more than a century ago, with Mr. Chan saying his goal was simple, to bring the authentic flavors of his hometown in Guangdong, China, right here to Malaysia using his family's traditional recipes. Later on, his son, Mr. Chan Kwok Chin, continued the family business by opening a small stall just in front of a coffee shop here in Chinatown, along Pedaling Street. By the 1950s, word of their delicious pastries had spread all across Kuala Lumpur. People came from all over just to try their handmade wedding cakes. As the business grew, Mr. Kwok Chin started creating more pastries with his own special recipes, offering even more variety to customers. Eventually, the man got so big that he bought over the coffee shop, where it all began, and turned it into the full bakery you see today. Now, the fourth generation, led by Mr. Chan Yui-soon, is keeping the tradition alive. For generations, Fung Wong Biscuits has been part of so many weddings, full moon celebrations, and mooncake festivals. If you love daily, fresh handmade and classic old school flavors with a bit of history behind them, this is definitely a place to check out. I ordered their signature items: salted egg, lotus tart, piggy bun, wife pastry, and husband pastry. Since it was almost lunchtime, I also added their prawn toast and shark fin soup. For drinks, I went with a hot can, the classic coffee and tea mix. Salted egg lotus tart. Soft, rich, and flavorful. This pastry combines smooth lotus paste with a savory salted egg yolk. Piggy bun. A crispy, flaky pastry filled with tender pork dices coated in a sweet honey glaze. Wife pastry, soft on the outside with a sweet and refreshing winter melon paste inside. Light and satisfying. Husband pastry, a tender pastry with a bold, savory filling of fermented bean curd, garlic, and black sesame, packed with flavor in every bite. Prawn toast. Golden and crispy on the outside with juicy prawn. Filling mixed with mild curry spices and a bit of minced pork. Crunchy, aromatic, and not greasy at all. Shark fin stew, mild, juicy, and savory, filled with minced pork and finely chopped mushrooms. Then topped with a little shark fin and a fish roe for an extra seafood touch. Cam ha. Smooth and fragrant with a gentle, bittersweet note. Perfectly balanced, not too milky, not too bitter. Fung Wong delivers classic, well-balanced flavors. A must-visit for a true taste of KL's traditional food. The final handmade pastry stall I want to introduce only sells 3 simple items: egg tarts, kaya Swiss rolls, and kaya puffs. The stall is run by an elderly lady in her 80s, Madam Wong. She and her late husband used to operate a small capisham near Central Market, but it closed down in the 1980s. Even after her husband passed away in 2011, Madam Wong has continued running a simple stall, tucked away in a narrow hidden alley just behind the Maybank branch on Jalan Yap Ah Woy. Six minutes walks from Masjid Yamek LRT station. For the past 40 years, her daily routine has started after midnight, waking up in the early hours to prepare her pastries. All of this is simply to keep the traditional flavors alive. When I asked if I could film her, Madame Wong kindly agreed without hesitation. I bought 2 pieces of kaya Swiss roll and 2 kaya puffs to take home for afternoon tea. As for the taste, I will not comment this time. I will leave it as a little mystery and hope you will take the time to support this quiet legend. This is not about sympathy or pity. It is about the respect and admiration I feel for her dedication. She's someone we can all learn from. When you stay committed to something you love, the path will always open up for you. Let's all keep going and appreciate the people and simple things around us. That wraps up today's journey across 3 legendary spots in Kuala Lumpur: Bunn Choon, Fung Wong, and Madam Wong's humble stall. Three places, 3 stories, all connected by tradition and dedication. I hope this inspires you to explore more local flavors and support the people who keep these timeless tastes alive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hidden food hunts across Malaysia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my Kuala Lumpur Must Eat Recommendations Series 2.